How to fix can't receive text messages on Poco M8. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, click power button and volume up button and restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. If it's not solved, check your internet connection, scroll down, open quick setting panel, turn on or turn off internet. After turn on or turn off internet, you will see internet connection is work properly. Go back to home screen and click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on additional settings. Scroll down and click on developer option. After click on developer option, scroll down and search media from here. And you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update your software latest, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, so refresh phone, click on settings app and click on more connectivity options. After click on more connectivity options, click on reset settings and enter your pin. Click on next and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix can't receive text messages on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.